I'm just a girl, so I'm gonna just let my husband pack up the car. Actually, he never allows me because he has his way that he arranges it, and apparently I don't do it the right way.
You don't know nothing about packing, man. You're supposed to put your food in the bag.
Right now, I'm starving. Starving.
Don't starve. Don't starve.
He's very good at it. Well organized. You've been packing up stuff for years, your whole entire career, so you're good at it.
What's the story behind that?
You're packing up baggage. Like the way you rack up baggage.
It's scandalous.
Description.
Scandalous. Just scandal me. Take out the chicken, then make me scandal you. Come take out the chicken, man. You buy 10 pieces of chicken for yourself.
So only you. Can we sanitize our hands, please?
I sanitize my hands.
Well, I need to sanitize.
Okay.
You want to be the only one showing me out and exposing me, but I can't.
Take
I can't
expose. Cause me not eat pizza. That's for sure. And you never buy it for your kids. Give me here, me eat this. Thanks. She's sharing
But
with
you
me,
know
guys.
that we don't have napkin?
Oh, you didn't pick up any?
No. You have ketchup? You want ketchup?
Yeah, I might take a look at it.
And we didn't even get a drink. We're just gonna be parched.
I have something in my trunk, but they're not cool. I have
Apparently I'm the greedy one, but yet he's wanting food.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't had breakfast and it's almost afternoon. This is a huge piece of pizza.
Wow. Wow, so
Almost as big as my face.
I thought you're gonna eat chicken.
Don't make me start with you, you know that?
Yeah, I work out too much, man. I make you hungry. Babe, call the cat again. Babe, a dog you call like that. You call cats up.
What?
I said them call cats in Africa, in Ghana.
I don't know how they call cats in Africa
So yeah,
or in Ghana.
a dog them call so.
I don't care. Get the point, to get the drift. I'm not a cat caller. A cat whisperer. How come the cat's not coming? How come the cat's not coming?
Cat don't want to come.
Right now I'm stressed out. Who's gonna take all of this stuff off?
Mommy, how you call cats in Ghana?
Cats.
What sound you make when you calling the cat?
Okra.
Yeah,
No. What do you do? Do you do?
like
ASAFA said, wait,
like
let me
we go
let me. Yeah,
that's how you do? We call dogs like that in Jamaica. And we call cats. We call
but
cats.
I'm doing the and the
Oh, so you
cats.
call dogs and cats the same?
Yeah, and I'm doing the. And they come because I'm doing the So when I'm doing the cat is looking at me like.
Yes, a Jamaican cat.
No, he's not answering.
No, you not do it right. No, see that? What's that? What is that? It's so like when
Wow.
it's so like
But you know that every time I call that cat, I do. And it comes.
So you spoil the cat then? You spoil the cat with the Ghana call. With the Ghana cat call. She spoil the cat with the Ghana cat call, mommy. You know spoil the cat.
The cats.
Yeah. You spoil it with the Ghana cat with Ghana call.
We call them.
Oh, well, we call dogs like that in Jamaica.
Dogs, cats, the same.
You see him? Okay. So guys, come, go jump in the comments. Let me know how you guys. I mean, I know all Jamaicans supposed to call dogs like that, unless in Kingston they call dogs different from country. I don't know.
Everybody all over the world.
Yeah, all over the world. Let me know. I want to see the spelling of what they call the dog.
Or the dog or the cat.
Or the cat. I know the cat. Cat simple. I don't know they're going to spell out they call the dog. Yeah. Let's go.
I can't do
Guys, jump in the comments and let me know what you guys think. So this video you guys can get involved and really share your feedback. So guys, onion or garlic.
No, I just cut up onion so it's in there.
So you see guys, when I'm cooking, no onion don't burn me, but let's not go there.
You want a mix of onion of your cooking?
So because of that, she's cooking today.
I'm not doing nothing special, it's just stew beef.
It's stew beef. She jealous of a mistake the other day, so she want to make some sort of beef.
Sure.
I give some good luck.
Sure, guys.
Good luck, you see? The food have to taste good now. Food must taste good now, right babe?
For sure. It won't be chewy. It won't be hard as a rock.
I'm gonna make myself yeah, I can't even say them thing there. A mixed drink. It's a brand new day and it's Mama Powell's birthday as well. Happy birthday to Mama P. We are going to get some presents for the boys, obviously. You know what I mean? So I guess the presents will be from us but from the boys. Because them can't buy presents.
No. What happens when you have kids?
You buy things and give them and them give it to people. Even when they have things at school, you have to buy presents, gifts, give them to take to school.
Don't talk to me about school right now.
School stressing.
School stressing.
It's a giving situation. But you know what? We're gonna buy Mama some stuff and drop it off to her. You know what I mean? They'll pick up the boys from school and then. So one of the easiest gifts to buy is always like a perfume. That's why I name a perfume. Yeah, women wear perfume. And we're gonna buy perfume now, then we're gonna buy something else somewhere. And we're gonna see what the boys choose to give us as gift. We think when choose a perfume. Perfume on the cracks.
Oh. I think it's a good as long as one of them both of them have something in their hand.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, first present down. Next stop. Wanted to sleep forever? Eh? Watch out, you can barely walk. Eh?
Over there. Let me come get this. Hello.
Oh, go on. Happy birthday. When is your birthday now? Eh? We got to say when is your birthday. Mama, yeah, cook. Me smell food and I want food.
Thank you, Hazak. Thanks.
You get present. Happy birthday. Give grandpa, give grandpa. Give grandpa.
Thank you. So, I'm in the kitchen, I do.
Cook?
I cook daddy food. Thank you. Tell me, the brother, they have my whole world. Another life.
This one.
Also, Lord have mercy.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
Peace of mind, happiness, love, joy.
Thank you, Alyshia. Thank you.
What's up? You give grandma a present?
Yes. Thank you, Azab. Thanks.
When you go to the have lunch?
Yes, you have little
Look nice, birthday girl.
I'm buying milk bag. I cook me cooking.
Right.
I'm
You look good. You look good.
Oh, nice. He's hungry.
Yeah, me a fried fish.
Yeah, that. What was it?
You was Mercedes.
It's a Mercedes?
Yeah.
It's loud.
It was like the car show.
So it was like a car show where when I was driving the car.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Right kick. Alyshia, this older than me.
Yeah, man.
Really?
Yeah, that older than probably older than everybody.
50?
Eh?
50 years?
This look, my band comes to this. Band, yeah man. And my band comes to this too.
Was it here when Donovan was born too? Or
We have it when Diamond. We have it when
Oh, so probably I go close to 50 years.
yeah.
Yeah. No look at. So that's why Nigel think I'm a pretty boy. That guy's a young ASAFA, yeah. Alyshia, you ever look at this picture yet? This is my great grandmother. You ever look at this picture yet?
Yeah, I have to be careful.
What is mom put as a pepper? It's like one pepper that pound, a pepper that pound.
Yeah, it's to protect it. So be careful.
Mama cooking on her birthday.
On her birthday. Seem like it's a common theme for the Powell men to steal birthdays. It is.
I know you get that, you inherit that.
I do it back to you because I have to enjoy.
Alright guys, we are heading back home.
Back to
That's-
Kingston.
This breeze though, wish you could have taken this breeze back to Kingston.
Oh gosh, but it was a lovely time. It's so funny, us women, when it's our birthdays, unless you are at a villa or at a hotel, there's no enjoyment. You have to cook, clean, do everything. And then the men take our birthdays.
Yes. Every birthday of mine.
So that's
Every
why
birthday is that's
the
true.
women have to request the
Yeah.
hotels and request
Next time I carry my speaker come play at mommy party. Come mama come play some
No,
music
next
for
time you
mama.
need to take her and make her go to a hotel.
I can't make it my
Here,
nose.
I'm up here.
So alright guys, thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe,